need to select a full column in Excel, but only one cell keeps getting selected, I will show you the easy mouse and keyboard methods. To select a full column, don't click inside the cell. Go to the column letter at top. For example, I will click letter B. Now the whole column is selected. You can tell it works because the column letter is highlighted and the full vertical column is shaded. To select columns that are next to each other, click the first column letter, hold the mouse button and drag across the other column letters. Here, I selected column B through E. This is useful when you want to work with several related fields at once. There is another way to select columns next to each other. Click the first column letter, hold Shift, and click the last column letter. Excel selects all the columns between them. This is helpful if dragging feels a little hard to control. Now, let's select columns that are not next to each other. Click the first column, for example, column B, hold Ctrl, and then click another column letter, for example, column D. I will also click column F. Now, column B, D, and F are selected without selecting the columns in between. The important part is to keep Control held down while you click each extra column. You can also select a full column with the keyboard. First, click any cell in the column you want. For example, I click C1. Then press Ctrl plus Space. Excel select the full column that contains the active cell. This means column C is selected. To extend the selection to the next column, press Shift plus right arrow or left arrow. A common beginner mistake is clicking inside the column instead of clicking the column letter. Clicking inside the worksheet selects only cell. So, when you want the full column, always click the column letter at top. Also, before you make changes, quickly check the highlight column letter. This helps you avoid changing the wrong columns. Quick recap. Click a column letter to select one column. Drag across column letters to select nearby columns. Hold Ctrl to select separate column, or press Ctrl plus Space to select current column. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.